What is up, gamers? Back with another gaming video. Today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator and I'm becoming God. So, it's just gonna be like an old video as always. These are all my bees I have. I don't really play the game that much, so I'm not super good. But actually, I just started playing it like 2 days ago. Let's just get into it. So in this video, we will become God moneymakers. How do you ask? Well, first we're gonna kill this spider. Ah! Attack! He's cooked. You're not him, spider. You are not him. I'm him. He's gonna do the charge attack. Yep. Called it. Yeah, spider. You're not him. I am him. I am him. I am him. You are not him. Ooh, hello, Rhino Beetles. Smell you later. This is where it gets harder. We're doing good. Just have to keep on spam clicking. I'm glad I'm shift locking. Shift locking is important. $650 honey? That's crazy. We need 300,000 honey. The rhino beetle should be back by now. Look at this. Let's use the easier field to conquer. Alley-oop! Two rhino beetles. Oh no! What should I do? They're so hard to beat. Haha, my bees are way too strong for you. Some more of these bees. How do I jump up? I'm shift locking. Trying to do the wall hop technique. Whatever, it doesn't work. Twice with the panda. Maybe we could do some of that. That'd be fun. Okay, defeat one ladybug. That sounds easy enough. Come on, bees. This is the easiest thing I have ever done in my life. Just get it. Yeah, thank you. I am a god at video games. One drops. It's not an egg. So Almost too easy. Defeat 2 rhino beetles. Come on, bees. I forgot about changing the pollen into honey. Come on, make the honey right now. Come on. We're almost there. Okay. Now, the egg. Come over. Take the honey. Leave the shop. Get the egg. And hatch the bee. Oh, it's a basic bee. We really got the best out of that shot. Anyways, yo,